In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Fall Guys on Nintendo Switch 2-player and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to talk about the main ways in which you can play Fall Guys on Nintendo Switch with 2 players, the ways that work and the ways that don't work as of today. So, to get the obvious one out of the way, if you are lobbying up to play Fall Guys before you queue into a match, as you might be aware, you can press on the right side joystick to bring up the party menu. This is the most convenient way to play with your friends with up to 4 players. In here you can use one of the invite options presented there to invite your friends to your lobby. Once they are in the lobby, you can start queuing up and all of you will be able to play together. So like I said previously, this is the main way to play Fall Guys on Nintendo Switch with 2 player. However, what a lot of people have been wondering is if it is possible to do local co-op or couch co-op, meaning that if you have a physical Switch on one location and you bring your friend over, is it possible for both of you to play Fall Guys on the same console, split screen? If you tried connecting a secondary controller to your Switch, going into the menus, explore the settings, you will notice that there is no mention of split screen whatsoever. So as of today, is it even possible to do split screen on Fall Guys on the Nintendo Switch? Sadly, as it stands today, for whatever reason, even though fans have been asking this, ever since the game launched, Mediatronic has not introduced split screen into any version of Fall Guys, including the Nintendo Switch. So, as it stands today, the only method that you have to play Fall Guys on the Nintendo Switch with 2 players is to own a secondary console. You will not be able to use a single system to play split-screen 2 players. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the only way in which you will be able to play with 2 players on Fall Guys on the Switch, and why split-screen does not work. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.